Germany's objections to the Treaty of Versailles. I want to start by looking at how they were angry at it being a diktat or a dictated peace. And by that I simply mean they had no say in drawing up the treaty. It was done by the big three and some other minor players and then presented to Germany to sign. This lack of negotiation led the German people to think, well, we haven't got to abide by it. People like Hitler felt that if you're not involved in drawing up the terms, you haven't got to keep them. Why should you? You weren't asked your opinion. But then, when they beat Russia at the end of World War I, 1917, they signed a treaty with Russia called the Treaty of Brest-Litovsk, and in that, they forced Russia to sign it. So all the Allies were doing was doing to Germany what it had done to Russia a year before. Then, of course, there was their issue around the land. Germany lost 72,500 square kilometres of land taken off them. This amounted to somewhere between 6 and 7 million people. It was 10% of its land and people together. In Eastern Europe, 1.5 million German-speaking people were now living in Poland. Even British Prime Minister Lloyd George had said at the treaty negotiations, we've got to be careful of this because if you are German but living in Poland, one day you're going to want to go back to Germany. So are we setting ourselves up, he wondered, for a future war? The Polish corridor that split Germany in two, as you can see on the map, was very, very touch and go, very dodgy ground, because again, that's Poland, but those people feel German. And if you look at that map carefully now, there is definitely an opportunity for someone, we know Hitler, to unify these two parts of Germany. There's an obvious focus, isn't there? So, overall, Germany lost its colonies overseas, lost a lot of land, a lot of people. Is this going to lead to future peace? Doesn't look like it, does it?